Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov at the Raiders Allegiant Stadium. Today is Saturday, December 7th, 2019. So I am on my hacienda spot on the north side. So I will be putting in some footage from, I was here on December 8th last year, so 1 year footage I'm gonna put in between so you can check out the progress that the stadium has made, which is a lot. Hello Raider Nation, today is Saturday, December 8th, 2018. And we got a little bit more action going on since last time. So if you look down here into this lot, we got some trees. So they're starting to put landscaping around, more around the street here, the sidewalk areas. I'll walk down that way to show it. So we got that going. I'm sure everybody heard about the 8 broken bolts. So they did release like an official statement about it and said that out of the thousands of bolts for all this roofing system, 8 of them broke. And it wasn't because they were defective, it was because they were torqued too tight. So everything is still on schedule. You know, with the roof lifted like it is now, even though it's not finished, they're still able to keep doing all the work they need to do below. So right now they're putting in the rail system for the sliding tray. So everything's still on track. And then Roger Goodell was actually here a couple days ago getting a tour of the stadium also. There's a video going around, I saw it on the news. But so he did say that this is a perfect Super Bowl town, and I think the soonest we could get one here is 2025, but I think we will have one coming soon, so that's a plus. Alright, so yes, if you look at the cables, they haven't done anything with them. The ends of the bottom cables are still where they've been for a few weeks. A lot more steel going up everywhere. See the panels, glass vents. They just have this small rim of the roof area that they have to complete. And then the Lanai doors, they don't have any glass on them yet, so I'm not sure when they're going to put that one in. And then the north. Standing on the Hacienda Bridge on the north end of the stadium. You can see they're putting the different levels of where the stadium seating will go. I think last video they were just that bottom one. Now they got another level going up there. Pretty cool. this is going to be the main north entrance over here. So it's looking like they're starting to put some more stuff up here, so they'll probably be, you know, finishing it off a little more, obviously. I'm going to walk around. I'm also going to try to get a little bit of drone footage to see if anything's changing inside with the filtrate that they're building. So we're going to check all that out. Alright, I'm on the corner of Hacienda and Aldebaran. This is the little road that goes right into the stadium area. That next little street right there, that's L. Davis Way. So you can see here, right along the road, we got the trees going in here. And then we also have some across the street. So they're putting them, and they actually open up some of the fence where the sidewalk is on that side. Alright, I'm on street level, north end, facing south. You can see a little better in what they're doing inside there. Okay, this is street level. North end. So this is the Lanai Door opening. All right, street level. North side, looking pretty much straight into the doors. So the torch. So they really haven't done anything else with that. I guess that's about all there is to the main structure. And then I guess the 3D printed torch will just go over top of that. There's a few people working today, not many. Alright, so Tweety Bird, they brought Tweety here and put it together, and that's all it's been doing is sitting for at least a month now. Same with Big Bird, hasn't moved. And we got more of the forms up over here. Not sure what they're gonna put. Got them on both sides, so this must be like a main entrance right here. Alright, I'm gonna go to the west side and get some footage over there. Alright, right now I'm standing on this new sidewalk area they have on the north side. So this is on the side where they have all the panels and glass stored. So you can see them all in these, wrapped up in this white. And then over here they got some of this, you can see the rebar with the cement. I'm not sure what it's going to be. But my guess would be maybe they're gonna put a sign up here, because I could see maybe, you know, it's fitting down inside that. Might be totally wrong, but it's right by one of the entrances. Alright, now I'm on the west side facing east. So you can see a lot of these. We're getting a lot more of the core, elevator cores going up. Alright, now I am on the west side facing east. So in the year ago video, it was just pretty much the elevator core here and this one over here. So I'd say it's come a long way when you see the comparison. So we got a lot more glass that's going up on this west side. So you can see the glass and then what's the panel part. And where it's the regular panels, you can also see these little slits, like the openings. That's where the three-dimensional part it like goes in and has like it clips in there somehow. Where you can see down below over here, you got the where they have the white lights. Alright, so they still have the lift here. So if you look, you can see where they gotta wait to put the glass until they get that out. They even have some of the vent looking panels. So I haven't heard when the lift is supposed to come out. Sure what they're working on, but they're holding that big thing. What's going on there? I can't tell what it is from here, but on the viewfinder it kind of looks like a fire hose. Okay, so this is the press box area up here. So then on the end, this is what I think is going to be the private elevator going up. They've been enclosing it, getting the walls up around the shaft. I could be wrong, but I think that's the elevator to get up there. Alright, so this is the south end of the stadium. I'm on the west side still. So they're still working on the ramps. I don't know what they're going to do because you can see around all the steel around the ramps has the fire protectant on it. So I don't know if they're gonna enclose that somehow so you don't see it. You know, because all the other steel, the way they paint it black, so we'll have to wait and see. We got the southwest corner. You can now see how they're running all the drain pipes down from the roof. And you can see them all here, and then they're all coming down this way. Supposed to get some rain again either today and tomorrow. It was sprinkling a little earlier, but stopped once I got here. Not sure what he's working on under there. That's one of the big ramps on the south end here. Alright, on the south end, kind of behind, in front of where them guys are walking, you can see they're starting to build some more. Got these studs going in, and then I'm gonna try to see with the drone footage if it kind of looks like they're starting to put the wall over the lower opening by where the field's gonna slide in and out. So we'll see if the drone catches any of that stuff. And then you could see under the south end we got, this appears to be an escalator here. Alright, see more of the south end here. I'm still on Polaris. So this is what I was trying to show earlier. So we can see they're starting to get some studs up here to get these walls up. So it's more on the side, as you can see. They haven't gone across yet. So this is the part the field slides under. I think they called these super trusses. Okay, so you can see this is gate 1, and they have already, you can see there's going to be a drive that's going to come in this way. And then if we pan to the left, they have all these the bollards going in. They have the real big ones up this way. You can see all the bigger ones all in there, and then they just put these skinnier ones up. I think it was last week or earlier the beginning of this week. Alright, so you can see the clouds coming in over top. We are supposed to be getting more rain. Nothing's going on up on the roof. It looks like nobody's up there now. Still got these covered up. Alright, if I pan to the right, this is where the concrete plant used to be. This is the corner of Russell Road and Polaris, so the very southwest corner. So they got pretty cleared out there. They were storing a lot of big equipment and stuff, and now they got it all out. So I don't know if they're going to start putting parking lot or not. You can see they got some of the bollards up there also going down that way. Okay, Raider Nation, I guess that's all I have for today. So we got the comparison from a year ago, and you know, really changed a lot till now. So if you'd like to keep getting updates like this, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.